In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video using one of the tools called screen recording in PowerPoint. So if you don't have PowerPoint installed, as part of your GMIT package, you can install Office onto your device. So if you just follow what I'm doing here, log into Office 365 and you select Install Office and you select this one here, and it'll install Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Publisher, Outlook, Skype and your cloud storage. Okay, make sure you select the correct version for your operating system and go ahead and install Office. Okay, so once that's installed, what we need to do then is we need to open up PowerPoint. Okay, so at the moment I have PowerPoint open. But up here, I don't see any features here for recording. So unless it's visible in your ribbon in PowerPoint, what you need to do is you need to add this to your ribbon. So if you go to File and Options, in here is where you can customize what's visible in your ribbon. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 different tabs open. So I want to create a new tab. Okay, so we'll put it maybe here beside home. Okay, you can ignore that for the moment because that's one I did as a practice. So I'm going to create a new tab, and I'm going to call this new tab my recording tab. Okay, and I'm going to hit OK. So what I need to do is I need to add the functionality of recording in PowerPoint into this tab. So in order to see all of your commands in your ribbon, if you choose all commands, because at the moment it was just popular. So if I can see here what I have, okay, I don't have it, I toggled it off for you for this video. Okay, so I know I need a screen recording. So it's done alphabetically. So if you just scroll down to screen recording, okay, which is here. And I'm going to, you need to select, a new group, okay, and select screen recording. So it's popped that option in there. I also want to do a screenshot. I want to add that. Screen clipping. I want to add that. I know there is, yes. So you can also have the option where if you want to trim your video or you want to trim your audio as part of your recording options. Video would be another part. So I'm just ordering a few. You can always come back in here whenever you want to add more options to any ribbon. So that's the screen recording. So the next thing I want to do is I want to add screen recording. What else was there? There was another thing I needed to add. Yes, here, record from beginning. Okay, record screen. So these, I'm just adding all of these in just to have them available. So then I'm going to hit OK. So this is going to be a new tab that's going to be visible next to my home tab, and those options are going to be in there. So here you go. If you see my recording, you can see all of those options in there. So you can do that for any of those. If there's options in here that's not visible, that's how you do it. So the first thing we want to do is you open up your PowerPoint. So this is my my main slide. So I select slide 2 and I say I'm going to record a presentation, or I'm going to record a video for submission. So what we need to do is whatever slide is selected, when you finish with your video, it's going to be placed. Your video is going to be placed on that slide. So I'm going to go screen recording. So when I open it, it asks me to select an area that I'm going to record on my screen. So I would suggest when you do this, you do not take in the date at the very bottom. So that way there's no timestamp on your video. Okay, so you select your area, and then the next thing you do is you select record. So it's going to count down for you, and it's going to record your screen. So right now I'm in Office 365, the video is recording. I'll go back to PowerPoint, and I might do something in PowerPoint and my mouse is moving. Make sure you test your audio before. And okay, next thing my phone rings, so I want to stop it. So you come up to the top of the screen and you select pause. When you select pause, what it does is it allows you just to pause the video, and then you can record again to resume. If you press stop, what it does is it actually stops your video, and it will, I suppose, end that video and place it on your slide. So I can select record again. So now it's recording my video again, and now I want to stop it. So again, go up to the top of the screen and I hit stop. So what happens is my video has stopped and now it is placed over my slide. Okay, so you may want to do this to actually have in a presentation where you play a little video, okay, of a minute or two, which will work too. But I want to extract this video and have it visible as an MP4 file so I can submit into Moodle, for example. So what you do is you right click on the video and you go save media as, okay? Now there is options up here where if there is a little bit of, if there's an error in your video and you wish to trim it, you can also explore that, okay? So I go save media as, and this is where I'm going to just save it on my desktop. And I'm going to call it video submission CA2. And then maybe perhaps you put in your G number as well. And I hit save. So then when I look on my screen recording, okay, here we go. This is my video. It's going to open with your screen. So right now, and that is my video. Okay, so it is an MP4 file, and this is what I submit into Moodle. So that's it. That's basically your screen recording where you open PowerPoint. Okay, I'll just come out here. So where you open PowerPoint, you go to your recording tab, you select your screen recording, you cut out your screen, you start your recording, okay? And then what you do is you can stop it, you can pause it, and then save your video, and it's going to be saved in a location as an MP4 file, and that's what you submit into Moodle, for example. Okay, thank you.